May mga bulong na hindi na raw uusad ang impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Dead on arrival daw. Kulang daw sa boto. Tapos na bago pa magsimula. Maging ang Pangulo, tila nais ipakita na wala siyang kinalaman o kagustuhan dito. Pero malinaw ang tanong, susundin ba natin ang proseso o tatalikuran ito dahil sa takot o kalkulasyon? The Constitution lays out a path for accountability. It begins with the filing of the complaint, moves to the House for deliberation and action, and proceeds to trial in the Senate. Each step exists for one reason: to uncover the truth. I've been invited to join the prosecution panel, and I said yes, not to serve any political camp, but to uphold the principles of truth, justice, and accountability. This is not about vendettas. This is about responsibility. This is about courage. Kung talagang walang sapat na batayan ang mga akusasyon, ang ebidensya mismo ang magpapakita niyan. Hindi ang chismis, hindi ang takutan, at lalong hindi ang numero sa survey. To abandon the process is to abandon the people who still believe in the promise of justice. It tells every Filipino that those in power are beyond reach and that accountability is optional. But we've seen this before. We know what happens when process is ignored, when truth is silenced, when the powerful are shielded from scrutiny. This is how impunity begins. This is how it is sustained. And this is how a nation forgets. We cannot allow that to happen again. Not on our watch. Panahon na para muling itindig ang saligang batas. Panahon na para igiit na katotohanan ang dapat maging pundasyon ng ating pamahalaan. Let the case be heard. Let the evidence be tested. Let truth rise as it must, as it will. We have been here before. We refuse to repeat the sins of the past.